I'm back. Now I'm show you how to use themes. A theme is a quick and easy way to give a professional and modern look to a Microsoft Office document. A document theme is a set of formatting choices that include theme colors, a collection of theme fonts including head, heading, and body text font, and many themes effects including lines and fill effect. This worksheet has the Office theme enabled, the default theme with a white background and dark subtle colors. To change the Excel default theme, you need to go to Page Layout tab and then click on Themes. These are the built-in Excel themes choices with a live preview feature. Move the mouse over to Themes and see the results. If you like it, click to apply to the theme of all the worksheets in the workbook. To use a document theme that is not listed, click Browse for themes to find it on your computer or a network location. Keep in mind that you cannot apply different themes to a different worksheet. A theme always applies to the entire workbook. Also, it is better to use a theme than start filling data because the theme changes many things like font, page, margins, etc. Finally, you can modify a theme and specify a set of themes, color, font, and effect. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.